She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is gonna be somewhat of a smash up recipe. We're gonna go ahead and mix up some pot pies with some sausage, biscuits, and gravy, and we're gonna get a sausage biscuit gravy pot pie. So it's going to be pretty similar to your traditional biscuits and gravy. Just kind of think of it as a new way to eat your pot pies. And this time you can eat it for breakfast. So if you are ready to get started, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Call me up. Call me up.
Alright guys, so these are the sausage, biscuit, and gravy pot pies. As you can see, the biscuits turned out nice and golden and fluffy on top for that wonderful crust. And then inside we have that wonderful homemade sausage gravy. It's a quick and easy recipe for a delicious gravy, guys. I highly recommend you give that a try. Comes together just like a classic order of sausage, biscuits, and gravy. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe today. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, appreciate that. And if you still have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.